Alright, so before we start this video, fam, really quick, I got something that's gonna save a lot of y'all. Yo, check this out. If you're doing Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, it doesn't matter. I'm not even gonna list all the gig apps. If you're doing any type of contracting work, if you're self-employed, that's the best way to say it. If you're self-employed, a lot of y'all have been asking me about taxes. Yo, check this out. I was put on by my accountant. I was put on to the app of all apps. I'm about to help y'all out right now. I just downloaded this app. It's fire. It is fire. And some of you guys may have heard of this. Some of you guys may have not. It is QuickBooks. It's crazy. Like, I mean, just off of one of my accounts, I'm gonna show you guys one of my accounts. Let me just make sure there's no personal information they showing here. All right, so just one of my accounts, right? So basically all you do is you link your card to the app, right? So super simple. It will track every charge on your card. Then you can go into the app and tell it if it's a business expense and what type of expense. You can also take pictures of receipts and log them in. And also you can tell it if it's a personal expense, and also it tracks your miles too, all in one app. Crazy. And it still has the records from last year. So it has this year and the previous year. So if you download the app right now, you log in and you set up your bank account, it's gonna give you last year. So if you haven't done your taxes yet, this is definitely gonna make it simple to organize all your expenses from last year. I just did it. It took me about an hour to go through everything I was spending last year on the company. And I was like, yeah, this is this category, this is that category, this is that category. On top of that, if you have recurring expenses like from the same location or like recurring like subscriptions, your phone bill, for example, your car insurance, they both come every single month on the same exact time, right? Now you can actually go in and say, hey, you know, this is a business expense because I'm using my vehicle for business. Now you gotta know how much you're using your vehicle for business and how much you're using it for personal. Me, I have business vehicles and I have personal vehicles. So it's easy for me. One is just one is the other, right? Now, but if you're not like me, you still can actually go in and be like, look, so let's pretend your car insurance was $100 a month. You can literally tell this app, hey, put $80 of my car insurance to business expense because I use it 80% of the time for just doing Instacart or whatever you're doing, right? And then put $20 to personal because I use it 20% of the time for when I'm just doing my own thing, my personal stuff, like going to the movie, whatever you want to do. That's personal, that's not business. You can literally tell the app to do that. And then when you tell the app to do that, you can tell the app to do that every single month, that it's already logged your insurance for every bill you've gotten. I think I said that right, right? And in the future. So now the app knows whenever you get that insurance bill of $100 a month, it's gonna put 80 to business, 20 to personal, and it's gonna keep doing that for you. And then at the end of the year or quarterly, whatever you wanna do, you just send the documents. You can email it to yourself, you can email it to an accountant, you can literally send it right through TurboTax to the government. That I have the maximum plan, right? So you can literally send it right to the government and your taxes are done easy. Like, I mean, this is a game changer. This is a game changer. Everybody was asking me about taxes. This is what I do. This is what my accountant put me on, and hey, it works. There you go. Link in the description. You get 50% off your first 3 months. So this is what I did. I got the maximum one. You don't need the maximum. You can get the lower one, which is like $6.99 for the first 3 months, and then it's $11.99, I think. So it's 50% off. So yeah, check it out. Link in the description, and you're welcome. Let's get to the video.
How I go from nothing to something. God is the best magician. Regardless of what you did, I know all of your sins forgiven. Don't bother trying to be perfect. Just follow the perfect image, and that's Lord. Needing your help, oh Lord, cause I'm just a man. Trusting in you, I know it's all part of your plan. Looking at life, some things I just can't understand. But I promise I never will fall for the sleight of hand. Needing your help, oh Lord, cause I'm just a man. Trusting in you, I know it's all part of your plan. Looking at life, some things I just can't understand. But I promise I never will fall for the slighter.
Look at that big blue sky. Look at that big blue sky. That's money. Oh, team run it up. It's a little late right now, and we're gonna start the day off at Costco drop. Sometimes this happens. Yo, why is my car moving so slow? I need an oil change. What's going on here, man? Come on, guys. Come on. Look at that big blue sky. Look at that big blue sky. I woke up late today, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I swiped an $80 batch right out the gate, $9.40. I was headed to Costco for the drop. I said, you know what? Since I woke up so late, I was headed to Costco for the drop, and boom, right here at the Weggies, I swiped an $80 triple, $9.40. Great way to start the day. I don't care if it's a triple. I don't care if it's a bit more miles, you know, because it's an $80 triple. Like, I mean, I'm gonna finish this in under 2 hours, most likely. So, great way to start the day. Let's get it, team run it up. Look at the vibes out here today. All right, we are done. This was a weird order. It was pretty big. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Pretty big order, check it out. Woo. Yo, she got 9 cases of eggs. 9 cases of eggs, yo. But I'll take 9 eggs over 9 waters any day. And we all, let's get it. What's poppin'? So let me catch y'all up to speed. I woke up this morning, it was a beautiful day, right? And then I was on my way to Costco because I'm like, you know what? I woke up late because it was 9:20 something a.m. I said, you know what? I might as well go hit the Costco drop, right? Because I woke up late. All good, is what it is. Sometimes that happens. On my way to Costco, I swiped an $80 banger, which brings me to where we are right now. Delivering the triple $80 banger. Let's get it.
But I promise I never will fall for the sleight of hand. Needing your help, oh Lord, cause I'm just a man. Trusting in you, I know it's a part of you.
Yep, and just like that, we for real running it up today. Just swiped a 58 double, 6 miles. Easy, let's get it. All right, so we just arrived to the second house of this order. We're about to deliver this. Let's get it. All right, fam, what is poppin'? I just had some lunch. I keep my lunch in the DoorDash bag when I'm not using DoorDash. And in the middle of my lunch, of course, I was looking for batches, and I swiped the 54 triple. This triple is gonna be a little further though. 2 of the deliveries are 20 minutes away. That's gonna take a little longer, but it is what it is. Why am I taking off my mask? I'm about to go in the shop. Oh my goodness. Woo. This one took me long. This one took me long. Bunch of people in the store. Took me about 45 minutes to shop.
How I go from nothing to something. God is the best magician. Regardless of what you did, I know all of your sins forgiven. Don't bother trying to be perfect. Just follow the perfect image. And that's Lord. Needing your help, oh Lord, cause I'm just a man. Trusting in you.